When it comes to current automotive trends, nothing's hotter than Restomods. The excellent blend of timeless style and big performance afforded by tastefully upgraded classics is simply hard to beat. Sporting an awesome combination of old-school swagger and thoroughly modern underpinnings, this 1956 Chevy 150 follows the Restomod formula perfectly. As the beneficiary of a thorough ground-up restoration, the car has been completely reworked to include a massage chassis, a 350 small block, a tough Richmond 5-speed, and incredible chrome-laced aesthetics. If you want a hot classic that utilizes great technology to create an unforgettable driving experience, check out this killer Chevy. Restored and ready to roll, this sweet 150 can be driven, shown, and enjoyed in any way its new owner sees fit. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.